When it comes to selling business to business, there are 4 key principles that, if you keep in mind, will help you succeed. B2B sales require a deep understanding of your customer business, challenges, and goals. Take the time to research and analyze their industry, competition, and pain points. Tailor your approach and solutions to address their specific needs and demonstrate how your product or service can add value. Selling business to business often involves longer sales cycles and complex decision-making process. That's why building strong relationship with your client is crucial. Invest your time in establishing trust and rapport with key decision makers in your industry. B2B clients expect solutions that are tailored to their unique requirements. Avoid taking a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, listen attentively to your client. Identify their specific pain points. Demonstrate how your product or service can meet their needs and provide a clear and easy to understand return on investment. B2B sales require persistence and attention to detail. Be proactive in following up with your prospects, addressing any questions or concerns they may have, and providing additional information if needed. Demonstrate reliability and professionalism by delivering on your promises and commitments. Consistent follow-up and follow-through will help you stay top of mind and build your credibility.